Wait, can I ask you a racial question quick?
Oh, whoa, whoa, oh,
It was an exchange between me and my boss. I felt like this
okay,
was like the whitest thing that had ever happened, but she went
okay.
to hand me something and she made like a sound effect that she was like handing it to me. She was like, choo, and like I grabbed it and was like, and like, took it and made another sound effect back. And when she left, I was like, we both just made sound effects. That's like probably the whitest thing ever. Do black people make sound effects like that when you're moving around? Do you go like choo 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 choo?
Yes, Rem, they do.
Oh, okay,
Yes,
okay,
I
okay.
can't confirm.
I didn't know.
I do. I can confirm that black people do make sound effects.